It's gonna be between my chicken.
Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I?
Good morning, loves. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be vlogging for you. I'm going to a brunch and I'm super excited about that. Right now I'm in the bathroom, but I said, you know what? Let me take up the camera and just do a quick introduction. So yeah, that is what we have going on today. I'm here contemplating what is it I will wear. I don't know. That's a big problem of mine. But I know you girlies are like that, so don't pretend, okay? We shop all the time, but we still can't find nothing to wear. Yeah, I have an idea though, so let me put it all together and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. You guys let me know what you think in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys when I get out there. Bye for now. So this is what I want to wear, you guys. It's an oversized shirt. I got it in Target. I think it was last year. I love it. Right now there's a lot of lint on there, so I might have to use my lint roller just to remove that. And that's it. I wanted something comfy, so I think this is perfect. Loving the black. This is the purse that I'm going to be taking. Let me show you guys the shoe. So these are the two choices, you guys. So it's going to be between my Alexander Wang, which got a little bit of heel on there. It's not high. I wear them all the time. They're very comfy. Or my Tory, which is a flat. So I'm more leaning towards the Tory. I love this as well, you know, but I want to be comfy. I know I'm going to be walking around a little bit, so I'm more leaning towards the Tory. But what do you guys think with the shirt blouse? Let me know.
You're not gonna hold my down. No, I'd rather be alone. Gonna hold me, gonna hold my down.
You should see from this end. Look. Like I said, all of these, they were it was all blue, so I guess they changed it now. Right now. She had deal with people and smoke same time. She almost burn it with a cigarette. Like what?
Cause you don't know nobody else that's gonna come through and see you like that and make sure you okay. Baby, are you okay? Let me know now if you're okay. Text
City cruises.
Come like I got your makeup on.
Anderson's manager had another idea. He got approval from the singer